So what if I tell you that you can start making money in 2026 by just using Google Maps? Yes, you don't need any technical skills. All you need is a laptop, internet access, and you can even work from anywhere in the world. Now, this technique that I'm going to show you, this is the most simplest, the most underrated way for you to start getting clients, for you to start getting leads and start making money on your own without even running ads. I'm not going to sell you any course, I'm not going to sell you any blueprints, but all I ask at the end of the video is for you to kindly subscribe, share, and turn on your notifications bell. So in this video, I'm going to cover it in 3 parts. The first part is how to find clients and where to get them. The second part is the outreach method that you use. Then the third part is the tools and the frameworks that I use. So let's get into it. Now, the first part, right, is we need to look for clients on Google Maps, right? So we need to go on Google Maps, and when we go on Google Maps, we are not just going to get everyone. We need to do 2 things. We need to niche down, right? So we are going to niche down in 2 ways. The first part is, we all know we have different types of service business, different types of business, but we need a small portion, right? Meaning to say, we are going to target daycares, we are going to target plumbers, we're going to target either electricians. Right now, once we get those, we also need to go an extra mile to niche by location, where we put in the zip code just to say we need people that are near me or that are in this particular region. Right now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Right, this is Google Maps. Right, already I've been playing around with it, so I'm targeting daycares. As you know, I've been more involved in daycares and so forth and so forth, so I'm targeting daycares that are near me, and I have already specified the 7441, which is a zip code for where I currently stay, which is in Cape Town, right, in Milnerton. Now, Google Maps will return all this data, right? These are all small businesses, but again, on this thing, we need to filter them, right? Or we need to qualify them. We can do this by checking which ones have a high rating, which ones have got high reviews, and which ones have got no websites or they have an outdated website. The reason why I'm targeting these ones is because these people, they are already in business. They have already traction into their business. They have clients, right? But we want now to amplify, we want to fix other things that they are probably having issues on right now. That's the second part on Google Maps. Now, the third part is the extraction of that data. So as you can see, this list, this is quite a lot of number of leads, right? So we need to work smart. This is 2026. We have tools, so many tools out there that we can actually use, but these are my 2 favorite ones, right? So the first one is the Smart Scraper. Now, what a Smart Scraper tool does, this is just a free Chrome extension that we can use to pull data from Google, right? Any data like business leads and so forth. And if you go on their website, which is trysmartscraper.com, they have a nice video here where you can actually go through. You don't even need to be technical, it's crystal clear. So you can just browse through their website. It's the information there is straightforward. All you need is to install it as an extension in Google Chrome, and that's that. Right now, I'll show you how it actually looks in action. So I've already plugged it into my Chrome, and as you can see here, I have these 2 lists, right? So let's say, for instance, you want to add more more leads, right? So you can even go here and you say plumbers, right? Now, when I search here, it will actually show me all the plumbers that are there. Then I'll just go here, then I'll say extract data, right? So if I come back here, you can see it starts to extract the data, right? It will extract data, and it's done. This is all the data that it gave us for all plumbers. As you can see, there's the phone numbers, the address, everything that you need for you to start picking up that call and start calling these people. It's there. Right now, the second tool that I use is Cloud, right? So, or Claude. So Claude has three parts, right? You have the chat part where you can use it the same way that you were using ChatGPT. Then there's the core work, which you can use to organize your work as you are working on your machine. Then there is the cloud code. So the cloud code is the one now that speeds up my development processes and all that right now. Out of these three, we are only going to make use of the chat, right? So on chat, I've created a script that I told that does almost the same, this smart scraper, but what I've done is I've went in extra to say, just create me now a daycare client acquisition system, right? Still in Excel. It will give me a lead tracker, niche qualifier, outreach scripts, the objection handler to say, if the person that I'm going to call will say something which is different, they are not interested, how am I going to do it? Like the outreach scripts for all the ones that I have based on this niche qualifier, right? What is it exactly that I need to do, right? Or to say to them. I have the closing scripts, I have the pricing and the offer, I have the Facebook funnel where I target Facebook pages for this particular niche, then I just send, right? Then the other one is the daily tracker where I just check what have I done this week, today, and so forth and so forth. So if you are interested in having this, you can just reach out to me, just say in the comments cloud, then I'll send you everything. Then you start to use it to your own advantage, right? That's that about finding clients. You now know where to get the clients. The next thing is, how are you going to outreach? How are you going to approach them? And I have this second part where we have different types of cold outreach, cold calling, cold emailing, cold visits, right? So with all these, we are only going to look for the most effective one. And with that most effective one, we're going to target one person, the decision maker. Now, a decision maker is someone who has direct impact, direct influence, who makes decisions for that particular business, such that we don't waste our time talking to the wrong people and so forth and so forth. So we need that person. And the most effective ones that I've seen is WhatsApp messaging and also doing just cold calling, and my personal favorite, cold visits, right? And with this, I make use of I've copied one of the style that Hamos uses, which is ACA, which is acknowledge first, then C is for context and or compliment, then the third one is A, which is asking, right? And within my script, it's straightforward, it's simple, right? Hi Prosper, I came across your daycare on Google. Parents seem really happy with you. Quick question, how are you currently handling new inquiries and bookings? We've been helping daycare set up simple systems that respond instantly and follow up automatically so fewer parents slip through the cracks. Are you open for a quick 10-minute chat on Thursday at 2 p.m., right? And I leave the link for them to book the meeting, right? Now, all I'm doing for all this is not to say give them everything in this email or on that first call. I need to book a meeting. Hence, book a meeting and show up with a template. That's all you need. And these templates, you can even go on ThemeForest. Like, this is my favorite place where ThemeForest, you get all the different types of templates for different types of languages. You have Laravel is there, WordPress is there, HTML and so forth. All you need, type in the niche that you are targeting and everything will be there. You will browse through and pick the one that you want, and you pay for, and you can see it's $18 for a template. And remember, I have made this video where I showed you how you can actually cheat the game, right? Where you can actually download these templates for free without even paying a dime. And I'll leave that video here so that you can check it out. Right now, let's move on. Now we know how to do our outreach, right? And the next part, this is where we now need to create a irresistible offer, where if we show this offer to the business owner, he won't say no. He will actually beg us to say, Prosper and your team, please come and fix this now. That's where we want. Now, most people, they just go there and say, I'll design you a website, here's the quotation, 5,000, and the business owner will be shocked. You will be left shocked, like, okay, why do I need to pay this 5,000? What is it that's wrong with my site at first? And that's what we want to fix, right? We want to take it to an extra mile. We diagnose with them, we identify the pains, we identify the value that they are losing currently, so that when we now give them the price, they already understand, they are ready to recover what they've been losing all this while. Then we don't sell features, we only talk about the outcomes. What is it, the outcomes that these businesses only care about? More revenue, more leads, efficiency, and their customers are happy. That's all they need, right? So those are also the outcomes that we focus on, right? So I'm not going to touch much on this. Then obviously the outcome will be delivered through systems or through solutions, which is high converting websites and automations, right? And like I said, we work with a template, just to say when they are sitting there, I'm sitting here, they can view that template and they'll love that template, right? I have used this technique with Peekaboo and they're currently our client. I've used it in multiple small businesses and they actually loved the work, right? Now, what I sell when this is now the offer, right? We are going to make sure that you get these outcomes. But before I even tell you the price that I need from you, I also go an extra mile and calculate return on investment to say, if I come today, I offer you this website and this CRM, you're going to get this much. And it's simple to calculate return on investment because you are using their existing data. One lead is costing them 200 per day. Per month, it will be 1.4. So we are saying, or per week, it's going to be 1.4. So we're saying, if I come and address these issues, right, all I need from you is $300. That is the first layer, right, where I give you a high converting website and you can also have a CRM that have a lead funnel where, yes, you are in the field there. After working, you come back home or to your office, you will need to see what was happening when you were away. That information is there in front of you in use of a CRM, right? Then the next part where we take it to an advanced level is we now sit and we dig deeper to look into the operations, finance, reporting, and also compliance. And that will also need 500. And now, as you can see, these prices compared to what they're actually recovering, right, in every week, these prices are a no-brainer. They will say yes to these things, right? So this is how I actually do the calculation. And if you are a small business out there, you are looking for someone to come and streamline your operations, to do a diagnosis as to why you are not yet where you want to be, I'm available, and I'll leave my contacts in the description so that you can reach out and we come to your place. We streamline everything, we assess your current processes, we streamline them, and you win, right? And also, if you are a fellow developer, a fellow designer, you're struggling to get clients, also use the link in the description to book a one-on-one so that we can get things fixed and you start also making money, right? So this is all I do, right? And our goal, obviously, if you are starting, we're saying just target 3 people, right? You have 10 leads that you can call, and in those just try to get 3. And as you can see, 3 per week, you'll be earning $900. You scale, you look for more. Now there are 10, you get your 3,000 more, your 6,000, right? This is how I've been doing it, and this is how I've been scaling my business, and I've been doing this on my own, right? You don't need to spend more money on adverts. You don't need to spend more money hiring teams to run these things for you. You can do this on your own with the use of AI, obviously, on the side to speed up everything and so forth and so forth, right? So if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you are new here. My name is Prosper. I'm the co-founder of ShiftTech, and I bring these same type of videos every week for you to learn, for you to also master how this game is being run, right? So I share everything, the wins, the losses, everything. I expose myself here. This is how I've been able to grow my business. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also subscribe like I mentioned, and see you in the next one.